Hi, I'm Polly the polymer.
Whoa, a talking polymer.
A polymer is a large molecule made up of many smaller molecules called monomers that are chemically linked together. Where am I?
You're at Poly Sciences in Norriton.
What's Poly Sciences?
Poly Sciences is a family-owned chemical manufacturing company in Warrington, Pennsylvania.
What do you do here?
We make a lot of different products depending on whatever it is that our customers require of us.
What does the process of making those products look like?
There's a lot of different processes that I work on where I'm working in a lab, sometimes by myself or with other technicians or chemists, and we make whatever product is required of us.
I'm given instructions and I follow them, and I write down all the information that goes with each process that I make, and I just make material.
So you'll have a clear liquid in a container, and then you'll pour in another liquid, and as you're stirring it, both of them combine and completely turn into a solid in the container, to the point where you can't even stir it anymore.
That sounds so easy, but what if there's a problem?
So, I work directly with the engineering team to try to come up with larger scale problem solving solutions for the products that we're going to be working on.
I see it now, but hold on. What exactly is so cool about Poly Sciences? What do you like about it?
What I like about working at Poly Sciences is the fact that because it's a smaller company, you know everybody by name. There's no nameless face that I walk by in the morning. As you're walking through, you get to say hi to everybody. You actually have relationships with all of your coworkers. And what I love about manufacturing is getting to work with the knowledge that I gained through my degree to actually produce something that the world needs.
I think the small, close-knit family that Poly Sciences is really cool. I tend to work better in smaller environments, so I thrive in an environment like this.
Once the items are made, they are packaged and shipped.
Bye, Polly!